Hey guys, this is Ankit and I welcome to all of you on our channel QWScape. In this video, I am going to discuss about Amadeus hiring process. Also, I will discuss about question asked in interview. So let's get start the video. First of all, we will see job role and salary. So job role, they was providing the software development engineer and salary was 12.6 LPA. That is very good salary. Okay. During the internship, they will give 30,000 per month salary. Okay. Coming to eligibility criteria, you should be pursuing your BTech in CSE, IT or EC branch and you should have minimum 80% in your 10th or 12th and you should have minimum 8 CGPA and with no standing areas. Okay. Now coming to selection process. In that selection process, they have conducted firstly pre-placement talk. After they have conducted the technical and coding assessment. After they have conducted SHL assessment. After day 1 they conducted all these three things. After day 2 they conducted the technical interview and HR interview. Both they will conduct in one meeting only. Okay, one Google Meet only. Okay, after end of the day they will declare the result to TPO. Okay, this is the round 1 coding and technical MCQ. In that they have asked two sections, technical MCQ and coding. In technical MCQ they have given pseudocode based on time complexity they have given, and theoretical MCQs like based on DSA, DBMS and etc. And coding question they have asked total 29 question was there technical MCQ, and coding question they asked 2, and total 31 question was there. Total marks they have given 150 marks and duration was the 90 minutes. In 90 minutes you have to complete this test. Okay, so in that first coding question was the power limit. Okay, so you take screenshot of this and try to solve by yourself so you can get like it's easy or hard or medium level coding question. Okay, this is the second coding question. This also you can try available time frames. Okay, so you can get idea that this is the hard or easy. Okay, after in round 2 that was the aptitude test, or we can say SHL assessment. Okay, in that they have given two sections, data interpretation and verbal. In data interpretation they have given line charts, pie charts, bar charts and table charts. Okay, and they have given 18 questions from this and 25 minutes time they have given in this. Okay, so firstly we have to complete this part completely. Okay, after that verbal part will open in that platform, and in that they have given the reading comprehension. So in reading comprehension they have given the passage. In that passage we have to study and we have to give set of questions answers based on this passage, and they have given the 30 questions from the reading comprehensive and 20 minutes was the time for this. Okay, now let's see the round 3 technical and HR interview. So in that they have asked, first question was the introduction yourself. After they ask about projects and deeply they ask question related to projects. Okay, so you so you should have very good knowledge in your project. Okay, each and everything you should know very well in your project. Okay, after they have asked some set of programs to write. Okay, like swap of two numbers, even odd, find maximum element in array, palindrome program, print prime number from 1 to 50, find if a string is interleaved of two other strings. Okay, so these are the programs they have asked. So basically interview was the in Google Meet. Okay, so in Google Meet they will say to share the screen and write the code in online compiler. So you have to write the code in online compiler. Okay, online compiler. Okay, after fourth section they have asked from the OOPS. In the OOPS they have asked define polymorphism, method overloading. Okay, pillars of OOPS, and give real life example of those pillars. Okay, so in OOPS you should not leave anything. You should have very extremely clarity on the OOPS, because OOPS is very important topic from the interview side, and each and every company asks from the OOPS, so you can't leave the OOPS concept. Okay, so after fifth section was the database. From the database they have asked like data lake versus data warehouse difference, and difference between ETL versus ELT, which database technology you used in your project. So these are the topics they have asked from the database. And also they can ask from the database like acid property, what is the acid property, and they can ask normalization. Okay, based on normalization they can ask question like what is 1NF, 1 normalization form, 2 normalization form. Okay, BCNF. These are the questions they can ask. Okay, So these are the question also you can study from the database side. Okay, after they ask from the operating system, what they ask in operating system means how operating system get loaded after starting the laptop. Okay, and deadlock, how to prevent deadlock. This is the question they ask from the operating system. So in operating system also you have to study most frequently asked question in interview from the operating system. Okay, after that, if you want to take live one-to-one mentorship from me, then you can contact on this number and mail to us on this email ID. Okay, and I will guide about which skills you have to learn in an effective way for your placement. Also, I will help to make your best resume. Okay, and I will share my tips and tricks which I use for my placement. Okay, I have got two MNC companies. In that one companies I have 8 LPA, and also I am gate qualified, and also I published various research paper. Okay, and I will give a complete roadmap to do smart study. Okay, so if you want to take from me live one-to-one mentorship, you can contact me on this number. Okay, so next we will see seventh section. In that seventh section they have asked DSA based coding. Okay, in DSA based coding what they ask means stack implementation by linked list, define stack and queue and implement. Linked list, they ask difference between singly, doubly, circular and its real-time uses. Creation and deletion of nodes in a linked list. Implementation of binary tree using linked list. They ask quick sort and merge sort implementation. Difference between, they ask array list, and difference between tree and graph. Types they ask of the graphs and trees. Okay, after they ask implement a binary tree and make in order traversal on it. Difference between DFS and BFS. Longest common subsequence we have to implement. Wildcard pattern matching we have to implement. Detect cycle in a directed graph. Boundary traversal of binary tree. Okay, so these are the questions they ask, or I am want to tell you these all questions not asked to one candidate. I have collected this question from the several candidates. Okay, many candidates I have collected this data. So don't think like these many questions they have asked to one person only. It's not like that. I have collected from several candidates. Okay, in the COA they have asked like multi-threading and multi-processing, what is that, and basic question on COA they ask. Okay, now coming to ninth topic, that was a machine learning based. Remember that these are the question will ask if you have ML based project, then only you can expect these type of questions. Otherwise you can speak if you don't have ML based project in your resume. Okay, so they have asked like supervised versus unsupervised, what EOF error means in Python, whether forecasting is supervised or unsupervised, real-time example for supervised learning and unsupervised learning, what is Navy based SVM and how it works. Okay, so in your project if you have Navy based, if you use Navy based algorithm means they will ask from the Navy base. If you use SVM, then they will ask from the SVM. Okay, if you use random forest, then they can ask from the random forest. Okay, it depends on your project. Okay, remember that. And after they ask where ML is getting used, what types of problems are we able to solve using ML, any real world application of ML around you, write code for deletion of file in Python. Okay, these are the questions asked for ML based. Okay, in the 10th topic was the puzzle. In that they have given the two puzzles, so you take a screenshot and try to solve this puzzle. Okay, next, HR questions. Okay, so HR questions, what are the HR questions they have asked? They ask like define success, what is the success you have to tell, why do you want to join the Amadeus, about non-technical activities participated, about internship experience. Okay, who is your motivation handler, what is your biggest achievement so far, what makes you angry, what most difficult situation you faced and how did you handle it. Okay, if any conflict occur with your project team, then how you will handle that. Okay, how you will develop yourself in the company. If you had, describe yourself in 5 words, best candidate for the position. Okay, what is your strength, weakness, what you do in free time, where you see yourself in 5 years or 15 years, what is your short term goal, long term goal. At the last they ask like if you want to ask from us anything you can ask. Okay, so these are the HR questions they can ask in your Amadeus interview. Okay, so you can prepare all these questions and you can expect in HR question these are the questions. Okay, so actually in HR question they will just check your knowledge and your mindset towards the company. That's it, they want to see us. Okay, so again, thank you so much to seeing our video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends so they also can get benefit from our videos. So thank you so much once again, and if you want to take live one-to-one mentorship, then you can contact us on this WhatsApp number or you can mail to us on this Gmail ID.